What's up, everybody? Welcome back to It's Just Plastic. My name is Ham. You seen the thumbnail? You know what Blue Ranger I'm reviewing today. That's right. I got the Power Rangers Lightning Collection Dino Thunder Blue Ranger. Ooh. Finally picked this one up. I had the Yellow Ranger came in not too long ago. I did a review on her. That's so cool. And, almost got the team finished out. All we're waiting on is good old Tommy in Black, man. That's coming out real quick. I cannot wait for that figure to finish up this team. There's the back of the box. Very nice. This is a really cool character. I don't think his face sculpt looks like the character. Looks like the actor. But other than that, I'm excited for this one. I like the big blue shield or the big Triceratops shield. So let's go ahead and get this one open and get into the review. But first, hit the like, hit the subscribe. Check out all the links down below. Everything you need to know down there. That's right. Alright, there he is with all his accessories out there on the table. There's his face sculpt. I think it looks pretty good, but it is hard for them to make a face sculpt 100% accurate with these little figures. This blast effect, that's pretty cool. There's his Dino Blaster. Cool. Turns into a sword. He's got a couple different hands. He's got grip hands there. He's got a different hand right here. I'm going to guess this is probably to grip the shield with. And then he's got that kind of hand. And one of my favorite parts is the shield. I've been digging this shield. There's the inside of it. So as you can tell, this piece actually moves. So you can yeah, you could actually take this out if you wanted to. You could push it all the way through, but I don't know why you would. I don't know why you would pull it out. I think it looks cool all the way through like that. And I know what it does. I just think it looks better that way with the figure. You gonna prop him up like this. Why would you put that in? You know what I mean? That looks so good. Alright, let's move his accessories off camera. Let's go over the Dino Thunder Blue Ranger. Like the helmet. That looks really good. Looks sharp. All the triangles down the side. See why they just hid it in white. Hid the morpher in white. Can't even get it to zoom in. My camera don't even recognize that. Like, look at that. Wah, wah, wah. Chest piece looks good. Everything looks good. Belt looks good. Put his blaster in there. I think he looks really good, man. Besides the morpher being all white. Stop zooming in on that. Alright, let's get into articulation. We'll make this one short and sweet. Down. Up. You know 360's happening. Got that rocker right there. That's awesome. Look at that. Look at that. Shoulders are good. It's got a bicep swivel. Double jointed elbows. Typical Hasbro wrists. You got the upper torso swivel. You got the ab crunch. Really good. Oh, man, listen to that pop. Psh, psh, psh. Snap is good. All right. You got good here. You got thigh swivel, upper thigh swivel. You got double jointed knees. You got a boot swivel. And you got a typical Hasbro ankle rocker. I'm not sure why my camera wants to focus on my mat today. It's never done that one before. It's zoomed in on a lot of things, but not the mat. Maybe something on the mat, but not the mat itself. So being weird today. As usual. Go technology, right? Alright. Yeah, and he's the exact same size as your typical other. There you go. There's Ranger Zeo Green. Adam himself. Same size. Alright, so that's going to be it for today. Heck yeah, I recommend getting this figure because we're almost done. Like I said, we got Tommy in black. We're good, man. We can finish out our Dino Thunder team. Ah, God, it's going to be so good to have everybody. I still need the updated White Ranger. The Dino Thunder White with the updated helmet. I still need one. I got the old outdated one that doesn't have the black on the bottom, on the mouth area. You know what, man? I'm just not going to spend $25 on a head, and then the figure itself is like $50-$60 right now. I'm not spending that. I'll wait till I find one in a lot buy or something like that. I mean, you ain't going to get me for that kind. I'm just not falling for it right now. All right, that's going to be it for today. Look down below for all the links. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. You guys take care. Have a good one, and remember, just plastic.